fact that people are switching to contactless is a testament to the fact that people find it easy to use.
We've already reached 13% of our on-bus sales being made by contactless.
Contactless payment is fast and efficient, and customers like it very much because it's so easy.
Contactless payments have been a huge success story in Europe and many other parts of the world, and transit merchants, I think, have the huge opportunity to capitalise on that growth and that evolution. For many transit merchants, they offer contactless payment methods, smart cards for example, as a means of getting a ticket to travel, but maybe there's a more convenient option there by allowing people just to use that debit card or credit card that's already in their pocket as a means of travelling on the network.
We at Transport for London pride ourselves in making transport easy for people. We want people to come and live and work in London. We want London to be a growing and thriving city. More than 40% of our pay-as-you-go traffic is now on contactless. In the process of creating contactless, a lot of things had to change about how the payments industry works. New rules had to be created and be mandated worldwide. And without the sort of help that Visa provided us, it's not clear to me that we would have been successful in doing what we've done here. In the process of working through these issues with Visa, a number of things have been invented that don't need to be invented again. For any city that's wanting to adopt contactless now, the whole infrastructure that's been created out of the back of London is available to be used worldwide.
One of our top priorities is to give the best customer service. In 2016, we did a pilot test of open loop way of paying. All the passengers and drivers were very satisfied. The open loop payment is especially interesting for visitors because they get to Madrid and pay directly with their credit card. At the end of 2018, we are going to have the whole fleet with the contactless readers to make possible the open loop payment.
We always look at new and innovative ways to enable effortless travel for our passengers. We've introduced open loop contactless payments a couple of months ago. We started with our Oxford division. We currently have 1,500 vehicles enabled with contactless, and we have plans to roll out across our entire UK operations in the next few months.
Oxford Bus Company has been using open loop contactless payments since June 2017. We've had really good feedback from our customers, and we've got big plans to expand that and hopefully get to 25% and beyond. With this project, it was one of those things where there was always another problem over the next hill, and it was quite often things that you needed to be a payments expert to sort out. Certainly the expertise of Visa was invaluable in removing some of those unexpected humps in the road and getting us to where we needed to be.
Customer satisfaction is directly connected with our strategy. Contactless is unique because you can auto-cap, and through this system passengers give always the best price. If you tap more times per day, you pay only one-day ticket. We are proud that we are first city in Czech Republic that implemented contactless payment system. Our numbers are increasing 400%. For last 12 months, Visa experts helped us with implementation, and through this our project went very smoothly. We want to inspire other cities in Czech Republic.
Contactless has become a very popular payment method across the UK, so we decided that introducing contactless would give the customers flexibility, but also hopefully drive patronage and increase revenue for the business. It was very important for us when we made that decision to go with open loop. We saw this as a real opportunity to ensure that customers didn't have more complexity, and actually just leveraging the contactless environment available in the street today was something that we felt was very important. Working with partners in the programme was extremely important to us, and in particular Visa offered a lot of assistance within the risk management area. We also recognised that Visa have the biggest majority of cards in the UK, and obviously that brings a lot of experience, and we knew that we could rely on them to assist us and to reach out to them whenever we needed support.
It's important for us that the customer does not get bogged down by a subpar travel experience when compared to everything else they do on a daily basis, which is why we decided to go one step ahead of the competition and adopt the open-loop contactless model. When we realized that we could not only leverage the existence of contactless cards that over 90% of Poles already have, but that the customer-facing devices that we could engineer are much smaller and lighter, we knew we had to dive in. Open-loop systems are simply cheaper and allow us to build valuable, competitive propositions for public transport operators. We expect that a minimum of 20% of all transactions made in Wrocław will be open-loop and should be steadily increasing to 40% and beyond over the next few years. Visa's very active and consistent participation in pushing contactless, coupled with Mint of Poland's dominant position in the market, has been and will be an important part of its success, not only in Wrocław, but in all of Poland.
We launched Open Loop system on the 30th of July 2017. This was initially on an Airlink service which runs between the city centre and Edinburgh Airport. The customers we serve obviously come from all around the world, and when they arrive in Edinburgh there's an uncertainty about how you pay, what ticket to buy. Having the contactless option available on Airlink makes both the driver and the customer's experience far simpler. Prior to implementation, we spent some time with TfL London, learned lessons from how their process went, and have adopted that in bringing it to Edinburgh. Visa actually introduced us to the benefits of contactless travel and engaged with us very early on. I can honestly say I've been delighted in the way the process has gone and the assistance and experience that we've had in working together with Visa. The transport industry has a reputation for being notoriously slow in embracing technology and moving with the times. But we believe contactless travel and the opportunities it brings will move the transport sector into the modern age and beyond.